Hello websters, Jai Hind. This is your wonderful channel, Defense Hustlers. So in this video, I am going to talk about very important topic, that is partial differentiation on composite function. Firstly, we will try to understand what is composite function, and then we will deep dive in the partial differentiation of composite function. So if there is a function z which depends upon x and y, and there is a function x which depends upon t, and there is function y which depends upon again t. So now here z is what? Composite function of t. We will make you understand, just wait a minute. So this is a composite function of t. How? So see, z is dependent upon x and y, and x is dependent upon t. So indirectly z is dependent upon t, because z क्या आपका डिपेंडेंट है x and y पे, और x और y किस पे डिपेंडेंट है t पे. तो z क्या है आपका? इनडायरेक्टली t पे डिपेंडेंट है. तो इसीलिए हम कहेंगे z क्या है? कंपोजिट फंक्शन ऑफ t है. कंपोजिट मतलब क्या होता है इंग्लिश में? कंपोजिट मींस द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टू और मोर फंक्शन. सो यहाँ पे ये जो कंपोजिट हुआ, ये आपका कॉम्बिनेशन हुआ दो फंक्शन का, इसका ऐसा कॉम्बिनेशन हुआ z. तो यहाँ पर z क्या है? कंपोजिट फंक्शन है t का. एंड नाउ वी अंडरस्टैंड मोर. सो this is what z, and this is a function of x and y. So z is a function of x and y, and now x is a function of t and y is a function of t. This is called what? This is called a tree diagram. So we will now apply a chain rule here. So before applying the chain rule and tell you about the partial differentiation, I want to tell you that this z is what? Dependent variable. This is dependent on x and y, and this is independent. You can see. So z is a dependent variable and t is an independent variable. When z and t, the dependent variable, is related to independent variable through intermediate variable, बीच में कोई होना चाहिए, then this is a composite function of t. आपने देखा कि z क्या है? फंक्शन x and y का, x फंक्शन है t का, y फंक्शन है t का. तो z क्या है? इनडायरेक्टली रिलेटेड है किससे? x, और इनडायरेक्टली रिलेटेड है t से. सो इसीलिए हम बोलेंगे कि z इज अ कंप्लीट फंक्शन ऑफ t. सो z डिपेंडेंट, इंटरमीडिएट, इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल. आई होप आई हैव मेड यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस कांसेप्ट ऑफ कंपोजिट फंक्शन. नाउ वी विल अप्लाई द चेन रूल हियर एंड फाइंड आउट सम फाइंडिंग्स. सो if we have to calculate dz by dt, now how we will calculate when this tree is there or when a composite function is there? So we have to what? Differentiate a composite function with respect to t, with respect to the independent variable. So t क्या है? Independent. Z क्या है? Composite function. How we will take out the differentiation of this? So firstly we will do the partial differentiation of z with respect to x. Why this partial differentiation? Because here z is dependent into two variables. So x and y पे z dependent है, तो यहाँ पे आपको पार्शियल डिफरेंशिएशन करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि इस समय आपका जो y होगा वो क्या होगा? कांस्टेंट हो जाएगा. सो y कांस्टेंट हो जाएगा, तो इसीलिए पार्शियल डिफरेंशिएशन करना पड़ेगा. Whenever a function is dependent on two variables, then we have to calculate the partial differentiation of that function, because then only we can calculate the partial differentiation, because we can make the other variable constant. आप दूसरे वेरिएबल कांस्टेंट रख सकते हैं, तभी आप पार्शियल डिफरेंशिएशन कर सकते हैं. टोटल डिफरेंशिएशन इसमें नहीं निकाला जा सकता. And now we will multiply by b. So you have differentiated z with respect to x. Now you will differentiate this dx by dt. Now you will ask why here not del x by del t? Because when you will partially differentiate a function which is dependent upon a single variable only, यहाँ पे x क्या है? t क्या है? डिपेंडेंट है. और अगर आप del x by del t निकालोगे, that is same as dx by dt. The partial differentiation of a function which is dependent upon only one variable is total differentiation of that function only. अगर आपको कोई भी फंक्शन देखिए, अगर आपका ये फंक्शन है t पर डिपेंडेंट है केवल एक सिंगल वेरिएबल पे, तो क्या होगा? आपका इसका पार्शियल डिफरेंशिएशन इसका टोटल डिफरेंशिएशन के बराबर होगा. तो इसीलिए हम यहाँ पे dx by dt लिख सकते हैं. नाउ मूविंग ऑन, प्लस now we will do del z by del y. Now we will make the x constant and we will partially differentiate with respect to y, and now we will do dy by dt. So this is what? This is how we calculated the differentiation of a composite function related to t. आपका ये क्या हो गया, ये आपका composite function हो गया, ये आपका चेन रूल हो गया, और इससे हमने आपका डिफरेंशिएशन निकाला है किसका, कंपोजिट फंक्शन का. So this is all about the composite function. And now we will solve one problem which will make you understand this whole concept practically. This is theory part, and now we will move on to the practical part. So let's see. So now this is one example which will make you complete understanding of this concept. So now, so this is firstly what, u is dependent upon x and y, and x and y are dependent upon what, t. So u is a combination of two or more functions, that is u is a composite function of t. Now we have to find out the differentiation of the composite function. So now we have understood according to the chain rule, like we will write here u is dependent x y and x t y t. You don't have to mug up the formula, you have to create the formula by the understanding of this tree. So du by dt. So now del u by del x into dx by dt plus del u by del y into dy by dt. Now we will see that what is, we will calculate this individual values. So del u by del x, that is, we will make the y constant. So differentiation of this will be 2x, when you will do del u by del y, so it will be del u by del y will be 2y, because here x will be constant. And now we will see dx by dt. dx by dt, here you have to apply the uv rule, that is first differentiation of second minus sin t plus cos t, and differentiation of this is et only, and now dy by dt, it will give the first function differentiation of second function cos t plus this v sin t, this is will be as it is, uv rule, same form, simple formula, and then differentiation of et which will remain same. So now we will put these values in this equation. This is what, this is the chain rule which we have derived from this tree diagram. From this tree diagram we have derived this. So now we will put the value one by one in this equation. So del u by del x is 2x into dx by dt. dx by dt is et minus sin t plus cos t et plus del u by del y. Del u by del y is 2y, and dy by dt is et cos t plus et sin t. Now we will multiply, this is whole and this is whole. So 2x and 2x et sin t. Et sin t is y. So this is minus. So because minus sign is there, plus 2x. अब cos t et क्या है? cos t et तुम्हारा x है. So x square plus अब आपका 2y into et cos t is x plus 2y into et sin t. Et sin t is what? Y. So y square. So 2xy 2yx, this will be cancelled out, and 2 is common, x square plus y square. So x square plus y square is nothing but u. So 2u. So this is your answer, 2u. du by dt is 2u. So in this problem, or in the partial differentiation of composite function, you have to firstly make this equation with the help of chain rule or by the more and more practice. By more and more practice, जितना आप ज़्यादा practice करेंगे, उससे क्या होगा, ये आप खुद बना सकते हैं बिना इसको देखे. But to be on the safer side, you can make this and you can derive on this. So this is what tree diagram, and this is what the chain rule, and in this you have to calculate the value of each entity one by one, and then you have to put that value of that entity in this equation. So this is what about the composite function, and then one example upon the partial differentiation on this composite function. So I hope I have made you understand the whole concept in depth. If you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment section, and I am very happy to clarify that. So from my side, and Jai Hind.